Alright guys, that log y'all just saw me pull out of there, that's the first one I want to cut on the sawmill. So that other one I got to roll it out of the way, and Justin's letting the drone charge up right now just for a little bit, and we're going to take a little break, come back and get this footage, man. Glad you guys are here. Don't go anywhere, man. This is the very first log we're cutting on the new Woodland Mills HM126, man, and I'm super excited. So glad y'all are here, but we're dead in the water because we're waiting on that drone. So we're gonna take the opportunity to take a little break, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, we're just about ready for our very first cut on the Woodland Mills sawmill, man. Super pumped. We've been rigging up cameras, man. I got to show you guys all the cameras we got going, man. Check it out. Boom, GoPro right there. We're going to have this camera right here on that tripod. We've got the 5D right here. Get inside. We've got another little camera right here, Canon G7X. Getting a little bit wide. Justin's got his GoPro right here on the end, and last but not least, we're gonna have the eyes in the sky, you know what I'm saying? Justin's about ready to get the drone launched. We're gonna fire up this sawmill and we're gonna start cutting, man. Don't go anywhere. Glad y'all are still here. Guys, freaking awesome, man. The new Woodland Mills HM126 is friggin' awesome, man. Very first tree, very first cut. You guys have seen it. It's cut through all of it just fine, no problems, man. I was surprised. I mean, I wasn't sure, you know. Yeah. I put it together myself, and I figured we'd have some kinks, man, maybe the torque or something on the blade. But it just, I did exactly like the directions, and it just worked out great. You know what I'm saying? Justin, brother, thanks so much for helping me, man. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you liked any part of the video, give us a great big huge thumbs up, like. And if you got anything to say, man, drop it right there in the comments. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace! And I've waited a long time for this. You know what I'm saying? I have literally wanted a sawmill for years. I'm not even joking. Told Crystal, I said, hey, we buying the Sweet 16, man. We got trees. We're going to be building stuff. We're going to need a sawmill. You know what I'm saying? I'm a guy that likes to cut up wood and build things. And that's what we're doing out here. And that's what we're going to do.